Hello, dear students. Today we have to discuss presenting your company. I will teach you how to write a company profile. During our lesson, we will discuss the definition of a company profile, the purpose of a company profile. I will teach you how to write a company's profile, and we will do some activities, and I will give you home assignment. What is a company profile? A company profile is a professional, comprehensive summary that introduces a business by highlighting its mission, vision, history, products or services, leadership, and achievements. It serves as a powerful marketing tool to attract potential clients, investors, and partners, building credibility and showcasing the company's unique brand identity and value proposition. There is no set length for company profiles. Some profiles are as short as 2 pages, while others span 10 or more. These lengths can depend on a number of factors, including the audience for the company profile, the company's age, and its size. What is the purpose of a company profile? First of all, it helps to funding. Company profiles can give potential investors the information they need to decide whether to provide funding for a company. The next one is brand building. You can use a company profile to inform website and social media users about your company's mission, values, and origin. Company profiles helps to recruitment. It helps to promote your company to prospective talent and highlight what makes your company unique. Company's profile helps to communicate culture and values in the company. Writing a company profile that emphasizes a positive company culture and strong values can help companies attract employees and investors. Company profiles can act as a plan for growing business operations and revenue. And now I will teach you how to write a company profile. The first step is you have to identify a purpose for the profile. Before you begin writing the company's profile, it's important to identify its purpose. Company profiles can include different elements depending on their target audience and end goal. Once you have identified the profile's purpose, you can think about elements to incorporate that emphasize that purpose. Here are some elements to consider including the profile. Company's values. Whether you are writing the profile to recruit investors or engage customers, you can include language that describes the company's values. Value of products. Especially if you are writing a company profile for investors, you can use the profile as an opportunity to demonstrate the product's value among the company's target audience. Performance. You can also use the company profile as an opportunity to describe the company's performance, including its revenues. The second step is selecting a style and format for the company's profile. This can help you organize information in a way that's easy to read and appealing for readers to view. One popular choice for the company profile formatting is using a series of subheadings to organize information. The next step is incorporating contact information. You can begin the company profile by including the company's name, website, and contact information. It can allow readers to perform more research into the company. And if you are writing the profile for potential investors, this can also ensure they have a way to contact someone at the company about funding. The fourth step is devoted to including the company's mission statement. In the next section of the company profile, you can include the company's mission statement, which describes the purpose and values of a company. Here are elements of a strong mission statement. Target audience. A strong mission statement describes the key consumer market the company targets. Product or service. Mission statements can make clear what product or service the company offers. Distinction. Lastly, a mission statement can describe what makes its product unique in its market. The next step is devoted to writing about the company's history. Many company profiles include a brief story of the company's founding. You can format this information into a timeline or write a short paragraph that gives more insight into the motivations for creating the company. You can include the company's founding date and location in the area of the company's profile. The next step is about describing products and services. Here you can describe the products and services the company offers. It can be an exhaustive list, the summary of the company's top-selling products, or broader description of the types of products the company sells. The next step is including awards and recognition. In the next section of the profile, you can describe or list awards and other recognition the company has earned. It can help you use a company profile to demonstrate the company's value and prestige in its industry and community. The next step is about financial information. If the main audience for the company profile is investors, you can also include a section in the profile for the company's financial information, including the following: financial targets. Including the company's goals in the profile can show investors the company's executive and management are motivated to boost revenues. The next step is about strategies. In addition to financial goals, a company profile can also show the company's plans for achieving those goals. Companies can also include their past performance in their profiles to demonstrate the company's track record. The next step includes demographics. Another type of information you can incorporate into a company profile is its demographics, including diversity statistics. If the company is committed to diversity, it can include statistics for the racial, age, and gender makeup of its employees and discuss goals and strategies for improving these statistics. And the last step here is incorporating testimonials. You can also include a section for testimonials from customers or employees in your company profile. This can help you show the company delivers a positive culture to employees or satisfaction to customers. A testimonial can be a simple quote from someone about their experience with the company, along with their name and title. You can also include photos with the testimonials. And now I will give you tips for writing a company profile. Use subheadings. You can create subheadings in the section of the company profile to organize information about your company. That's easy for readers to understand. You can include the logo. Including the company's logo on the profile can promote brand recognition and act as a design element for the document. You have to consider design elements. Fonts, color, graphic, and negative space can define the design of a company profile. You can follow your company's branding style to achieve a cohesive company profile design. Proofread the profile. Before you distribute the company's profile, be sure to use spell checking software to ensure there are no errors in the profile. This can help your profile appear clean and professional for readers. And now we'll do some activities. In the first activity, you have to use prepositions given below to complete the extract for a company report. In the next activities, you have to match the companies to the industry sector if they belong to. And there is a reading activity. You have to read the sentences and write the missing letters to complete the words. The next activity is about presenting your company profile. Number these phrases which introduce different sections of the presentation in the order in which they appear. And at the end of the lesson, I will give you a home assignment. Think about your company or a company you know. Study useful language box below and prepare a presentation about it. And useful language box includes different types of information. For example, how to introduce yourself during the presentation, starting your aim, outlining the presentation, introducing new information, changing to a new section of the talk, and ending the presentation. Thank you very much for the lesson. Goodbye.